So in a standard Vaulta battery configuration, we'll have a number of parallel batteries or one battery connected in parallel to a Victron busbar or something similar. And then we'll have the Victron busbar connected directly to the Victron inverter. From a comms perspective, we have a standard Cat6, Cat5 cable that goes to our pack controller, and the pack controller uses the Victron cable to the Servo GX. The Servo GX also has a connection, which is a standard Cat5 cable, to the inverter's VE bus port, as per the standard setup for Victron. And then the CAN bus port from our pack controller that goes into the VE CAN 1, or BMS CAN as it's called on some things, with a terminating resistor. And inside our pack controller is another terminating resistor. So you need one on each end of the network. We've got one, and you need another one for the Victron. Some other things to think about is we use a UPS, which is a backup power supply that provides power to the pack controller, which allows us to start the system. And that's pretty much everything that concludes the setup of a standard setup. So you've just connected everything and set everything up. You're commissioning your battery. You turn everything on. Your Victron's running, but you can't see the battery inside the VRM, inside the remote console. So you can see the Quattro, like we can see the Quattro or your Multiplus or whatever. You might see some MPT controllers, but you just can't see the battery. So the first thing to check is make sure that you're using a genuine Type A or Type B VE CAN cable from Victron. Here we're using a cable that I made, which is the correct pins, but you can see it's not connected, so obviously there's a mistake. So if I remove that cable, I install a genuine VE CAN to BMS CAN with the BMS CAN in the pack controller, the VE CAN in VE CAN 1, and then we should see Vaulta battery BMS.